With an ideal climate and fertile soil, the western and northwestern regions of the United States have become the birthplace of world-famous cherries. American cherries attract consumers not only with their plump appearance and eye-catching bright red color, but also with their characteristic sweet and slightly sour taste. In 2023, the cherry growing area in the United States is estimated to cover about 37,000 hectares, with an annual production ranging between 300,000 and 400,000 tons. The United States leads the world in cherry production, especially in states like Washington, Michigan, Oregon, and California, where the climate is ideal for cherry cultivation. The country produces over 156,000 tons of cherries annually, making a significant contribution to global cherry production. Thanks to the application of advanced farming and green agricultural technologies, millions of cherries are planted and harvested in the United States every year. From a bird's eye view, vast cherry orchards stretch across the landscape, where skilled farmers work hand in hand with technology to plant the next generation of trees. Workers carefully place young saplings into freshly prepared soil, ensuring each one is positioned for optimal growth. Precision tools help dig the perfect planting holes, while irrigation systems are installed alongside to provide the necessary moisture for early development. Despite advancements in automation, human expertise remains essential. Farmers inspect each tree, adjusting its position and securing it firmly in place. Their experience ensures that only the healthiest saplings take root, setting the stage for a successful harvest in the coming years. The United States leads the world in cherry production, with regions like Washington, Oregon, and Michigan benefiting from this careful balance of manual labor and modern technology. By combining tradition with innovation, farmers can plant thousands of trees efficiently while maintaining the high standards needed for quality fruit production. To support the young trees, carefully measured fertilizers are applied, enriching the soil with essential nutrients. This sustainable approach not only promotes healthy growth but also protects the environment, ensuring that cherry orchards continue to thrive for future generations. A farmer carefully plants another cherry sapling, ensuring its roots are well placed in the soil. With precise movements, they press the earth around the base, securing it for steady growth. Each tree is given careful attention, setting the foundation for a strong and healthy orchard. Modern technology has made cherry harvesting faster and more efficient. Instead of manual picking, specialized machines are used to shake cherries from the trees, allowing for a quicker and more uniform harvest. The process begins as a mechanical arm wraps around the tree trunk, vibrating at a precise frequency to loosen the cherries. Within seconds, ripe fruit falls onto a specialized catching system, which gently collects the cherries without damaging them. This method reduces labor while increasing efficiency. Once harvested, the cherries are transported into containers where they are safely stored for transportation. The use of these machines ensures that large volumes of fruit are harvested in a short period of time, making the process more sustainable and helping to meet global demand. By combining advanced machinery with careful handling, farmers can maximize yields without compromising the quality of the fruit, ensuring that fresh cherries reach consumers worldwide. As the harvesting process continues, the machines move from tree to tree, efficiently shaking the branches and collecting ripe cherries. The mechanical arms work quickly, ensuring minimal disruption to the orchard and maximum yield with every pass. Once harvested, the cherries move along a conveyor belt where they are carefully sorted by workers. Each cherry is inspected for quality, and any imperfect or damaged fruits are quickly removed from the line. This step ensures that only the best cherries continue on for processing. After sorting, the cherries are washed thoroughly, removing any residual dirt or debris. The fruit is then sent to the next station, where it is mashed and turned into fresh cherry puree. Specialized machinery gently crushes the cherries to preserve their flavor and nutrients. The puree is collected in large containers, ready to be packaged for various uses, from beverages to desserts. This efficient system allows for minimal waste and maximum output, turning every cherry into a valuable product. By carefully sorting and processing the cherries, farmers and producers ensure that the final product is of the highest quality, providing consumers with a delicious and fresh option for enjoying cherries in many forms. After the cherries are processed into puree, they are placed into large vats where they undergo the next stages of refining. These vats ensure that the fruit is evenly mixed, maintaining the fresh flavor and texture necessary for the final product. The entire process is closely monitored to retain the natural goodness of the cherries. Once processed, the cherries are transferred onto a conveyor belt, where they are carefully packed into small containers, ready for transport. As they travel along the belt, any remaining leaves or debris are gently washed away in a stream of water, ensuring the fruit is clean and pristine. Two cherries, connected by their stems, are gently pulled apart, symbolizing the care and precision involved in handling each cherry throughout the entire process, ensuring only the highest quality reaches consumers. Once the cherries pass through the initial stages of sorting, they are carefully divided into multiple streams of water. These water flows play a crucial role in separating the cherries and ensuring they are moved efficiently through the system. As they travel down these streams, each cherry's quality is assessed. The water's gentle current helps to carry the cherries through the next phase, where they are monitored using advanced sensors and imaging systems. These sensors collect important data on each cherry, including its size, color, and potential defects. The collected data is immediately transferred to a computer system, which processes the information and alerts workers to any anomalies or imperfections. This digital monitoring system ensures that only the best cherries are selected for further processing. Once the cherries have been scanned and evaluated, workers perform a final manual inspection. They carefully examine each cherry for any signs of damage, bruising, or other defects that may have been missed by the automated systems. The workers remove any subpar cherries, making sure that only the finest fruit moves forward in the production line. This combination of automated technology and manual labor allows for an incredibly precise sorting process. By utilizing both, producers ensure that each cherry is handled with care and that only the highest quality fruit is processed. After this thorough sorting and evaluation, the cherries are placed onto the main conveyor belt, where they continue their journey to the next phase of packaging or processing. The attention to detail throughout this process guarantees that consumers receive cherries of the highest quality. The integration of cutting-edge technology and the human touch creates an optimal workflow, resulting in fresh, flawless cherries that are ready to be enjoyed by people around the world. The factory is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery designed to handle large volumes of cherries efficiently. The production lines operate around the clock, ensuring that cherries are processed swiftly while maintaining high standards of quality. With advanced refrigeration systems in place, the cherries are kept at optimal temperatures to preserve their freshness. The combination of technology and skilled workers allows for the maximum yield while minimizing waste, making the entire process more sustainable. Once the cherries have been thoroughly sorted and processed, they move on to the packaging stage. The cherries are carefully placed into containers designed to preserve their freshness and protect them during transport. These containers are made of durable, breathable materials that allow the fruit to stay cool and maintain its quality. The cherries are arranged in a way that minimizes bruising, ensuring that they arrive at their destination looking as fresh as when they were harvested. The packed containers are then placed onto conveyor belts that transport them through the final stages of the processing plant. The conveyors are designed to move the cherries efficiently while keeping the packaging intact. As the containers travel along the conveyors, they are checked at various points to ensure that they are properly sealed and ready for shipment. At the end of the conveyor belts, the containers are organized and prepared for shipping. Depending on the destination, the packed cherries are either sent directly to retail stores or to distribution centers, where they are further distributed to local markets. Throughout the entire process, the cherries are handled with care, ensuring that they maintain their quality all the way to the consumer. The packaging process is designed to be fast and efficient, allowing for large volumes of cherries to be packed and shipped quickly. The use of advanced machinery and automated systems ensures that the cherries are packed and transported efficiently, reducing the chances of damage or delays. This streamlined process helps farmers and producers meet the demand for fresh cherries.